Good afternoon, LC people. Well, welcome back to my channel. I've not posted for about a week. As you may recall on my last video, I was waiting the frame and various other bits and pieces for this F2 that I'd started. Now, I got a phone call Saturday morning from the powder coater and I went and fetched it all. As you know, I've been working bits and bobs on this bike. All the plastics are done. There's not a left to clean and fettle. It's about reassembly for this bike now. The paintwork's still away. That'll be a few weeks away. So the pressure's off for a little bit on this bike, but you will see it come together. You've been watching the journey and you will see. You'll see. But as I say, this bike's been waiting for quite some time. Belongs to my good friend Paul Whitmore. We had to wait for the barrels to come back because they went out to be re-sleeved. They came back eventually after a bit of a wait, and I just got the head and barrels back from the powder coater Saturday with the F2 stuff. So my mission today was rebuild the motor, the cover on it. I'd already installed the water pump and the oil pump. It's now got engine oil in it. Like I say, I put the head and the barrels on it, new piston rings and all the rest of the bits. Radiator's gone on it. Chain guard. I've just tested it for sparks. We are sparking, I'm very happy to say. There's not a lot left for Dave to do. Tacho cable's got to go on it, speedo cable, throttle cable, carburetors, and then basically I think I'm going to be able to run it on life support. And it's been a long time I think since this bike ran and has been on the road, and it wasn't here for a full-on restoration, this bike wasn't. It was just to finish off Paul's rebuild on the bike. There's still a few little bits left to do, but not much. So I'm hopeful when I post it again tomorrow, I'd like to have this bike finished really. All the paintwork on it and it running and ready for its MOT. That's Dave's plan. And yeah, that's what I've been about. But I've been waiting, as I told you, for the powder coater, so I've not really been able to do a site. I've had a steady week last week and being able to take my foot off the gas a tiny bit. But that's what we're at. That's where we are. But keep doing your likes and subscribes. Any pleasant comments? I'd like to know what you guys think. I'm happy the way it's coming along. Unfortunately, the send stand didn't fit with these all speeds. Some they do, there must be an old version. Anyway, folks, I will keep you posted. Thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.